This here is our ZP1 uController and our ZP5 uController. Now the uController is essentially an I/O expander widget, so to speak. You can send an IR command or an RS232 command on the ZP1 from uControl or from a control system via our API to this device, and it will output that command to either a source or a display. Perfect for things like projectors or hiding something away in a cupboard. Over here we have the ZP5. This is still a prototype at the moment, but that's essentially the same as the ZP1. It just has more I/O ports. So here we have 5 IR outputs, the same RS232 port, and additionally a HDMI CEC port. So like I said before, you can use uControl. It will detect these 2 bits of hardware. They are both Wi-Fi enabled, and send any command over to them to be output in any zone of your choice. They can be added to an MHUB system, or they could be used standalone.